Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're looking for a way to both relax and express creativity, then this amazing patterns adult coloring book from the 255 Color Lab Studio. This being an adult coloring book means that the design and the patterns are more intricate and a little more advanced than it is for children. What's really cool about coloring books is that it's on the go, so if you want to enjoy a nice day outside, you can take your coloring book with you, express your creativity, or if you're like me and you just want to listen to your favorite sitcom or podcast while coloring and just completely zone out. Coloring books can actually help you to relax, to take a moment for your mind, to go through a creative process, not worry about any of the stresses that you got going on in your everyday life. Since I've got this coloring book, I have found out I guess I color kind of slow, but that's okay because there's 55 pages, so there's 55 unique designs and patterns, and so that way I'm going to be able to enjoy this for a really long time. I was able to experiment with two different kinds of mediums. I did fine point markers and colored pencils. Both of them are uniquely satisfying to use on this piece of paper. If you are using markers, there is a relatively thickness. As you can see, I didn't really have an issue of it bleeding through onto the next page, but if you're worried or have a tendency to be a little bit harder when you press, use that trick of putting in a blank piece of paper in between, and then there's no stress about it. Colored pencils, as you can see, have been absolutely beautiful. Coloring is not just a kid's activity. Coloring is awesome for all ages. It helps you relax, it helps you express your creativity. But as an adult, it's nice to have your own adult coloring book, so that way it's just for you. But that's just my point of view.